Hey guys, what's up? AttractionSpot here. I am at Glenwood Caverns about to ride on the Alpine Coaster here. This is the first ever Alpine Coaster they've had. So we are going down the mountain here. We start at the top. We don't go from the bottom up.
It'll spit you out automatically.
And here we go. I'm gonna go full speed. No, all of that. To an end here. All right, that was awesome. Woo! Coming to the end of the track here now. There is a green light. Oh, I'm in a red light. So stop first, then go one car at a time on the green light. Okay. So we're green now. It's been green. Oh no, it's red right now. So we gotta wait a minute because they only allow one person up. Now, we did have to sign waivers at this park. That was just for this Alpine coaster because this was the first one ever. And so, because of that, there we go, it's green. The cars could bump into each other and stuff like that. And that was what the waiver was for, but now they've had this upgraded. So that can't happen now. Well, it says no smoking, extreme fire danger. Better not be smoking. But we're gonna go up now. If you guys have watched my other video, if you haven't, check it out. And I'll link that and maybe the other one. I think it was from Snow Basin or something like that. But Park City Mountain Resort has the longest Alpine coaster in the United States. Now there is another one, like of course longer in another country. Now I don't need to hold on to this now. The brakes don't work right now. We're going up on the cable. So, but this one I think had a lot more tighter turns. It was really good. The one, was it Snow Basin or whatever? If I'm saying it wrong, I'll correct it, but that one was pretty short and it wasn't as fast. But those little bumps, you get going and kind of lifts you out of your seat. Now if you hear clicking, that's because that's the anti-rollback in case this were to somehow slip, that it would lock into place so we don't go backwards, because that wouldn't be good. Keep seatbelt on, arms and legs inside the car. This can do 2 people, but you have to be like under a certain amount of inches. But yeah, other than that, if you're too tall, you can't do that. You have to be a single rider. Awesome. Like, we've got a little ways to go. The one at Park City, you start at the bottom too. You don't start at the top. And that one was like, I think like 11 minutes up to the top. This is quite a bit too, but you get a little breather and you can see everything around. This is really cool. This was kind of one of those interesting parks that you've never been to. But if you guys have not been here, check this place out. It's called Glenwood Caverns. It's in Glenwood Springs, Colorado. Still going up here. When you're down at the bottom, it looks just so tiny at the top here. If you guys like this video, make sure you like it. Let's see if we can get 100 likes. I think we can do it. 100. And also give me a likes up if you guys like horror. As you can tell here, my mask got a lot of the horror characters on here. It's actually really one of the most comfortable masks I've had, and it actually covers up here too. And then as you come up here, they do night rides because they do have lights. If you guys can see that on the side here, it's really cool. It's awesome. But yeah, you guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If you guys love this, make sure you give it a like. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and click that bell icon so you get notified of new videos. And I will keep posting new content, and make sure you guys check that out. Stay informed. And check out my social media, Instagram, AttractionSpot, same picture in TikTok. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
All right, how was it?
It was good.
Awesome. You can undo that seatbelt.
You wanna see the kind of fun they've got. That's why you're here at AttractionSpot. You're at AttractionSpot.
You can now join and become a member of AttractionSpot and be a part of the AS fam. All you have to do is head over to our YouTube channel and click join. Then you can become a member and get exclusive perks, such as a custom badge and comments and live chat that gets more exclusive the longer you have your membership, from 1 month all the way to 2 years. Early access to our new videos, exclusive community tab posts, be a featured member on our videos, and custom emojis. All you have to do is click join. The monthly subscription amount may be different depending on which country you live in, and some countries may currently not offer it. Fill out the payment information, click buy, and that's it. You're now part of the AS fam.